My name is Eileen Fegan and I'm an expert in medical law. Now my job is to explain the legal issues behind controversial stories in the news, like that of Savita Halappanavar, who died in Ireland last year after being denied a termination. She began to miscarry at 17 weeks of pregnancy. Now this tragic case fueled great debate in Ireland, but often the contributions were not aware of the legal issues. Abortion was criminalised in Ireland and Great Britain under the 1861 Offences Against the Person Act, which made it punishable with life imprisonment. Now that law is still on the statute books, but in Britain they introduced a law in 1967 to carve out exceptions to this rule. However, the same did not happen in Ireland. In Ireland, what they do have is a common law rule developed by judges in the X case of 1992. Now this did say that it would not be illegal to perform a termination to save the life of the woman. However, in Savita's case, the doctors found this too unclear, and what happened is they prevented them from acting soon enough to save her life because they feared criminal prosecution and life imprisonment if they got it wrong. Now Ireland has just introduced a new piece of legislation called the Protection of Life During Pregnancy Act, and what this does is clarify that it is legal to intervene to save the life of a woman. This story shows the mistrust and the difficulty people have in understanding the common law. Lawyers know that where no legislation exists to cover a situation, common law has the same status. So what happened in this new piece of legislation was that the law was clarified and made easier to understand and to find. It did not expand the law, nor could it actually be called a new law.